Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video. Ang kauna-unahang The Voice Kids audition ang mag-audition dito sa Blinds audition ng The Voice Kids. Parang redundant naman yan. So, it won't take any longer. Hindi ko dapat ito gagawa ng reaction video, pero nang nalaman kong kinanta niya, agad-agad atake tayo. And this song talaga needs to something like execute very well, should I say. Alam mo yung vocal prowess mo talaga dapat malalang-malala sa sobrang galing, something like that. So parang itong kantang to is parang kinanta to ni Jessica Villarupin, if I'm not mistaken. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. G. Ganda ni Julie, oh.
Hello po, ako po si
Cutie
Camasoneo, 13 years
Camasoneo?
old, Pinas City, Pangasinan. My eldest sister po is nasa US, and my middle sister po is nag-aaral po sa Baguio. Same with my brother po. Sometimes po, yes, it gets a little lonely po sa house. Growing up po, I was the princess of the house. I was always protected by my siblings kapag may umaaway po sa akin sa school. Sobrang thankful po ako sa kanila because when wala po yung mga mom and dad ko, lalo na po si mommy when she was in Saudi po, sila din po yung naging second parents ko po. My wish po is maging cool po kami when things get hard po. Lagi po akong alone sa house since my siblings, malayo po. If I had that one special day na complete kami, mag-swimming po kami sa beach.
Swimming po kami sa beach, ah. Okay, G. Go. Gusto ko marinig yung angas. Ang angas ng boses niya. Please. Yes, exactly. I love the energy. Okay. Wow. I love the placement. Oh my God, little Jessica Villarubin. Oh, the rips and runs, my God. Seriously? Grabe! Grabe yung mga kabataan ngayon. Grabe yung rips and runs. I know, right? Julie! Bakit hindi si Julie umikot? Ay, ang gwapo ng kuya niya. Jules! Ano na Jules? Ang grabe no. Sarap! Wow! Ay, grabe. Belter siya, mami. Belter siya? Grabe yun. Sorry, ang ingay ko, ha. Wait. Sorry kung maingay ako talaga. Grabe yung riffs and runs niya talaga. Bueno man. Oh. Ay, grabe to. Grabe siya. Literally, she ate and left no crumbs. Grabe. Oo ba? Si Julie hindi umikot? Julie, sayang.
First of all, hi. Anong pangalan mo, Iya?
Ako po si Audrey's Hannah Cambaser, Nea po.
Audrey, ilang taon ka na, Audrey?
13 years old po.
13 years old, tapos ganyang ka kumanta? Ito,
Grabe,
this
13 years
is
old.
the definition of pure soul. As in, kaluluwa yung kumakanta. It really comes from
Oh my God, may favorite na ako.
mga tipong style na to na hindi
May favorite na ako for today's video.
you nailed it. As in,
Thank you po.
nailed it.
She ate and left no crumbs.
20 seconds sa music pa lang, yung unang run na
Umikot na agad siya. Yes, the runs.
pinindot ko na. Because this
Yung runs niya talaga.
Really, really in awe of your talent. Yung runs na ginagawa mo throughout the whole song. Grabe yung power mo. Nakikita mo tong jacket na to? Bagay eh. Kita mo oh.
Kanino po ba nagmana?
Nambabakod na. Wait lang. Hindi, ay si Ben and Ben yung pinili niya. Ben and Ben, si Julie, hindi talaga. Pero okay na din naman. Okay din si Zach. Ben and Ben.
Ben and Ben.
Well, that's life. That's life. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Ang buwan naman. Grabe no. Grabe yung mga runs niya. Seriously.